Hello students, this is the poem which is taken from the second PUC book. Its title is Ek Vraksh Ki Hatya. So this poem is written basically by Kunwar Narayan ji. He was from Uttar Pradesh. He was born 19 September 1927 in Faizabad district of Uttar Pradesh. He has completed his degree from Lucknow University, Lucknow Vishwavidyalaya means university, 1941. Then he completed MA in English. आपके साहित्य पर श्री नरेंद्र देव और आचार्य कृपला जी का प्रभाव दिखाई देता है. Basically his literary devices or literature is influenced by Narendra Dev, Sri Narendra Dev and Acharya Kripalani ji. He was influenced, he was motivated by their written work. So let's continue. Hello students, welcome back to e-learning. This poem is taken from the second PUC Ek Vraksh Ki Hatya. This is the title of the poem. This poem is written by Kunwar Narayan ji. He was born 19 September 1927 means 1927 in Uttar Pradesh, Faizabad. Faizabad is one district of Uttar Pradesh where he was born. आपने लखनऊ विश्वविद्यालय से 1941 में In this poem we are going to discuss about the conservation of trees, deforestation, stopping the deforestation and all. We will learn how it is important, what is the drawback if we cut them. So let's see. अब की बार घर लौटा, अब की बार घर लौटा तो देखा वह नहीं था, वही बूढ़ा चौकीदार वृक्ष. So what poet is telling here? Poet came back to their hometown after long time. Okay. Poet is telling, अब की बार घर लौटा. This time when I came back to home, my hometown or my what you can say ancestors' home, तो देखा, I saw, I found, वह नहीं था, it was not there. वही बूढ़ा चौकीदार वृक्ष, that old tree which was just outside of my house, it was like a watchman. It seems it was like a watchman जो हमेशा मिलता था घर के दरवाजे पर तैनात. So it was found as if it is protecting the house because it was just in front of the house. So it was seems like it is the watchman. It is protecting house from outsider. पुराने चमड़े का बना उसका शरीर, as if its body is made up of old leather because the tree was very old, its bark was very hard and what you can say there were so many cracks on the bark. So it was seemed like its body is made up of old leather. वही सख्त जान, like if you see any old person or like their body will be very harsh and with the wrinkles. So it is alive but body is hard. Similarly, this tree's outer covering, its bark, give the impression as if it is alive but it is hard. Its outer covering is hard, wrinkled. झुर्रीदार खुरदरा तना मेला कुचेला. The same thing, Juryodar means wrinkled. Khurdara means hard, rough. Mela Kuchela, Tana means stem. Mela Kuchela means like it was old, so it was not giving some kind of freshness. Like we see in the new plants, young plants, but this plant was very old. And uh, it was going to die only. It was going to dry completely. Rifle सी एक सूखी सी डाल. It had only one branch, which was also dried. It seems like it is a rifle, because there was one branch. It was giving the impression of a rifle, because the branch was giving the impression of rifle and tree was standing. So poet has compared this one the tree with one branch with a वॉचमैन. एक पगड़ी फूलदार. There was only one branch which had some flowers and leaves. पाँव में फटा पुराना जूता. Its roots were very torn and broken. चरमराता लेकिन अक्खड़ बल बूता. So what poet is telling here, this its bottom part was compared by the poet with the shoes, like as if the watchman is old, it is wearing torn shoes and all. Okay, Charmarata, the shoes were broken, torn, but still it is having its what you can say, self-respect and strictness. धूप में बारिश में, even in the rain, in the sunlight. गर्मी में sunshine, गर्मी में he is in the heat of sun, सर्दी में in cold weather, हमेशा चौकन्ना, always attentive. अपनी खाकी वर्दी में, it was always standing, because we know trees always stands only, we won't say it, but just it's a poem. So poet has compared, he has used here figure of speech, personification. Okay, so he has compared this tree with the living things, with the person, with the human. So it is giving it stands in the even in the sunshine, harsh weather, very cold weather, in rain. It does not bend in any situation, as if it is its outer covering is compared with the खाकी वर्दी, like वॉचमैन वेयर इट्स यूनिफॉर्म. दूर से ही ललकारता कौन, मैं जवाब देता दोस्त. Poet is compared as someone comes. It says that it shouts that who are you before entering in the house, as if everyone has to give their introduction to the tree, because poet has compared the tree with the watchman. मैं जवाब देता दोस्त, ओ आई एम फ्रेंड. और पल भर को बैठ जाता उसकी ठंडी छाँव में. और पल भर में was a moment I used to sit under the shade of this tree. दरअसल शुरू से ही था हमारे अंदेशों में. Actually, from the beginning itself, we had some kind of what you can say doubt. कहीं एक जानी दुश्मन, there may be any enemy or any outsider, they can harm us. कि घर को बचाना है लुटेरों से. We have to protect our house from the robbers, dacoits. शहर को बचाना है नदियों से. We have to protect our नादिरों से. We have to protect our city from the नादिरों means same thing, robbers or outsider or some what you can say unwanted people. देश को बचाना है दुश्मनों से. We have to protect our country from the enemy, from neighboring countries. Those can harm our country. They are not they will not let our country to work properly. They want to disturb its functioning, its peace. नदियों को नाला हो जाने से. We want to protect rivers to become rivulet or drainage. हवा को धुआं हो जाने से, वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट, वी हैव टू सेव एयर टू बिकम dust or smoke, because we know there is lot of pollution surrounding us. खान को जहर हो जाने से, खानों को जहर हो जाने से, वी हैव खाने को जहर हो जाने से मीन्स वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट ट्रीज टू बिकम पॉइजन. बचाना है जंगल को मरुस्थलों के हो जाने से, वी हैव टू सेव फॉरेस्ट टू बिकम desert. We have to stop deforestation. If deforestation continues, it can cause desertification. बचाना है मनुष्य को जंगली हो जाने से, we have to protect or we have to save people to become what you can say जंगल हो जाने से means like rowdy, unhuman. We have to protect or we have to what you can say save people. We have to stop what you can say pollution. Basically we have to stop cutting down of forest. We have to make people aware about that how much trees are important. We should not disturb the balance of nature, otherwise it will be harmful for us only. Because anyhow if we care someone, it shows humanity. So poet want to create, or poet want to make human aware or human to awake what will be the consequences if they cut the forest. So message of this poet only to maintain the balance of nature. We should not disturb it, otherwise it will be very dangerous, very fatal for the human and plants or even animals also.